Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Your name?
Trilokya.
Okay, Trailakya. Can I have your resume?
Yes.
Okay. Trailakya, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, G. Trilokya. I'm from Nellore district, Kavali, which is famous for temples. I recently completed my graduation in BSc Fashion Designing. My skills are I'm good at manual testing and automation testing. My hobbies are listening music and to explore new things.
Okay. What are your technical skills?
I'm good at manual testing and automation
Okay,
testing.
Trailakya. This is your second mock, right?
Yes,
Okay. How much rate yourself in mock? Out of 5.
4.5.
Okay, fine, Trailakya. Okay. Can you explain what are the stages of a STLC?
What are the stages? Okay, fine.
Stages. I need to know that. What are the stages?
Okay, STLC means software testing life cycle. It is a procedure to test the software application. To test the software application, it has different stages or phases. System study, write or prepare test plan, write or prepare test cases, prepare RTM. RTM is nothing but requirement traceability matrix. Execute test cases and defect tracking, test execution report, and retrospective meeting and post-mortem meeting.
So, can you explain what is performance testing?
Okay. Testing the application by applying loads for the application is known as performance testing.
So, what are the types of the performance testing we have?
There are four types of performance testing: load testing, stress testing, volume testing, and soak testing.
Okay. What are the test management tools we are going to using?
QC, ALM, Zira, and test trial, TestLink, and QTest, and OTM.
Okay. What are the bug tracking tools we are going to use?
Bugzilla and Mantis.
Okay. What is software testing?
Testing the functionality of an application, intent of finding defects is
Okay.
known as software testing.
Okay. Okay. What are the types of functional testings we have?
Uh, Types of functional testing.
Levels. Integration system.
Functional integration and system.
Okay. What is functional testing?
Testing the application, each and every component independently is known as functional testing.
So then, what is system testing?
Testing the application end to end, just like an end user, is known as
Can you explain what different regression testing?
regression testing. Testing the application after fixing the defect, uh, whether the application is working properly or not, is known as regression testing.
Okay. What are the types of regression testing we have?
There are two, okay, three types: unit regression testing, regional regression testing, and full regression testing.
Okay. Fine. So what is severity and priority?
Severity will tells that how much the defect impacting or affecting to the customer business is known as severity. Priority will tells that which defect has to be fixed first by the developer, and every defect has to be fixed by the developer.
Okay. Fine. So can you explain defect life cycle?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. In every software company, test engineer will test the application. If the test engineer knew or opened the application, if the test engineer finds any defects, he assigned the work to the developer. Developer will accept the defect and he has to fix the defect. After developer fixing the defect, he sends the application to the test engineer, and test engineer will retest the application in the form of regression testing or retesting. After he finds any defect, he resend to the application developer, and developer again accept the defect, and he fix the defect again, he resend to the test engineer. This process is still going on whether the application is defect free. After this, all defects are cleared in the application. The application is closed by the test engineer.
Okay. So what are the models in the SDLC?
There are 8 types of models: waterfall model, spiral model, prototype model, hybrid model, V&V model. In, mm,
Okay. When we will go to the Agile model?
when the customer wants high quality of the application.
Okay. Fine. So what is smoke and sanity?
Smoke. Okay, in smoke testing we test the basic features of the application. In sanity testing we test the new and bug fixes. In smoke testing we all test the positive scenarios. In sanity testing we'll test the both positive and negative scenarios. It is the unstable builds, it is the stable builds.
Okay, fine. So what is error?
Error, it is a mistake in source code.
Okay. What is integration testing?
In testing the application, two or more dependent modules is known as integrated.